How we make kung fu noodles. How to make kung fu noodles. Wait until the water's all boiling. Put the packets in here. You can add the ingredients an hour later. Add them later. Don't forget to shake your bag too. There's extra ramen noodles in here. See that? When you're eating ramen noodles, kung fu noodles. I'm actually gonna make 2 types of noodles. Kids love it with guo. Make some eggs. Here we got some leftover egg roll foil. Stir up the noodles once they get going. This tray here, I'm going to show you guys how I make mine, how I like to eat my kung fu noodles. Good. So you add the packets that come with it. Make sure you add both of them. Get that kung fu taste. And there you go. You got your kung fu noodles. One way. Now we'll go on to how I eat my noodles. Use some over medium eggs, over easy eggs. out the heat. Good line. You gotta just flip that egg right back on. There you go.
The animals. The other two animals.
Noodles and eggs. Perfect.